In a quiet village, there lived a monk named Zenji. Zenji was known for his simple wisdom and his incredible ability to use the power of his subconscious mind. This is the story of his journey and the lessons he learned along the way. Zenji's life in the village was peaceful. He woke up early each day, welcomed the rising sun, and meditated beneath a oak tree. This daily practice helped him find inner peace and clarity, and it was during one of these meditations that something remarkable happened. As Zenji sat in meditation, his mind became still, like a calm pond reflecting the sky. In this deep stillness, he felt a connection to something greater than himself, a well of wisdom and power that he realized was within his own mind. It was his subconscious mind, a vast reservoir of untapped potential. Zenji understood that most people lived their lives on the surface, unaware of this inner treasure. They allowed worries and distractions to cloud their minds, preventing them from accessing the incredible power that lay within. Determined to explore this inner world further, Zenji embarked on a journey of self-discovery. He wanted to learn how to harness the power of his subconscious mind and use it for the greater good. Little did he know that this journey would not only transform his own life but also inspire and help countless others. Zenji began by practicing mindfulness in his daily life. He paid attention to each moment, fully engaging in whatever he was doing, whether it was tending to the monastery gardens, preparing meals, or simply taking a walk. This mindfulness allowed him to be fully present, freeing his mind from the constant chatter of worries and doubts. With a clear and focused mind, Zenji burrowed in deeper into meditation. He practiced different techniques, each aimed at connecting with his subconscious mind. He visualized his goals and dreams, seeing them as already accomplished. He believed that the power of belief and visualization could help him tap into the subconscious's potential. Over time, Zenji noticed changes in his life. He became more intuitive, able to make decisions with confidence. His actions seemed to flow effortlessly, and he approached challenges with a calm and centered demeanor. The villagers noticed too, and they began to seek his guidance for various matters. One day, a young woman named Mei approached Zenji with tears in her eyes. She had a deep passion for painting but felt discouraged because she believed she lacked talent. Zenji listened compassionately and then shared with her the wisdom he had discovered about the subconscious mind. He explained that within the depths of her consciousness lay untapped creativity waiting to be unleashed. Mei, eager to overcome her self-doubt, decided to follow Zenji's guidance. She started a daily meditation practice, visualizing herself painting with joy and confidence. As Mei continued her practice, something magical began to happen. Colors and shapes flowed from her brush, and her paintings started to capture the beauty of the world around her. Her work was filled with vibrant energy and emotion, touching the hearts of those who saw it. The transformation in Mei's life was inspiring. She had tapped into the power of her own subconscious mind, using it to overcome self-doubt and unlock her true artistic potential. Her story spread throughout the village, inspiring others to explore the depths of their own minds. Word of Zenji's teachings and Mei's success reached neighboring villages and towns. People from far and wide came to seek Zenji's guidance. He welcomed them all, sharing the simple yet profound practices that had changed his life and Mei's. One traveler, a weary merchant named Rio, arrived in the village seeking Zenji's help. Rio's business had been struggling, and he was burdened by financial troubles. He had heard tales of Zenji's ability to manifest abundance through the power of the subconscious mind. Zenji welcomed Rio and taught him the principles of belief and visualization. He encouraged Rio to see himself as a prosperous merchant, to visualize his business thriving, and to let go of his fears and doubts. Rio, desperate for a change, embraced Zenji's teachings with hope. To his amazement, Rios' life began to transform. His business started to flourish, and opportunities seemed to come his way effortlessly. With newfound confidence, he made wise decisions and built strong relationships. The burden of financial troubles lifted, and Rio experienced a sense of abundance he had never known before. Rio's success became another testament to the power of the subconscious mind. His story, along with Mei's, spread far and wide, inspiring people to explore the depths of their own consciousness and tap into their inner potential. As Zenji's reputation grew, he received an invitation from a distant kingdom's ruler, King Hiroshi. The king had heard of Zenji's extraordinary abilities and hoped that the monk could help his kingdom prosper and find peace. Zenji, with his characteristic humility, accepted the invitation and embarked on a long journey to the distant kingdom. Upon his arrival, he was greeted with great ceremony and taken to meet King Hiroshi in his opulent palace. King Hiroshi explained the challenges his kingdom faced: droughts, famine, and social unrest. The people were unhappy, and the kingdom was on the brink of chaos. Zenji listened attentively, his serene presence calming the anxious king. Zenji shared with the king the wisdom of the subconscious mind and how it could be harnessed to bring about positive change. King Hiroshi, desperate for a solution, eagerly embraced Zenji's teachings and guidance. Together, they began implementing mindfulness and meditation practices throughout the kingdom. The people were taught to connect with their subconscious minds, to visualize abundance and harmony, and to let go of their fears and doubts. As the days turned into weeks, a remarkable transformation swept through the kingdom. The droughts ended, the fields flourished with crops, and a sense of harmony and well-being filled the hearts of the people. It was as if the very land responded to the collective power of their subconscious minds. News of this miraculous turnaround spread to neighboring kingdoms, and emissaries from far and wide came to learn from Zenji and King Hiroshi. They witnessed the profound impact of harnessing the subconscious mind and returned to their own lands inspired to bring about positive change. In the midst of these transformations, Zenji received a message from the village he had left behind. It was from Mei, the once doubtful artist, who had become a renowned painter. She invited Zenji to return to the village for a special event, the unveiling of a mural that depicted the story of Zenji and the power of the subconscious mind. Filled with gratitude and a deep sense of connection to his roots, Zenji returned to his village. The villagers greeted him with joyous celebrations. The mural, a masterpiece of color and symbolism, told the tale of his journey and the countless lives he had touched. As Zenji stood before the mural, he realized that his mission was not just about transforming the lives of individuals or even entire kingdoms. It was about sharing the timeless wisdom of the subconscious mind with the world, so that all could tap into their inner potential and create positive change. And so, Zenji's teachings spread even further, transcending borders and cultures. His story became a legend, passed down through generations as a testament to the incredible power that resides within each of us, the power of the subconscious mind. In the end, Zenji's legacy was not one of wealth or fame, but of transformation and enlightenment. He had shown. The moral of this story is that the power of the subconscious mind is a profound force that can be harnessed through mindfulness, belief, and visualization. It teaches us that within ourselves lies untapped potential waiting to be unlocked. By connecting with our inner wisdom and letting go of doubts and fears, we can not only transform our own lives but also inspire positive change in the world around us. This story reminds us that the journey of self-discovery and personal growth can lead to a life filled with purpose, abundance, and harmony.